aka hair mold. She's not wrong. But before we get into this, make sure you share this with a bestie because it's about to get weird. These are not cute little dust bunnies. It's dead skin cells, sebum, and scalp buildup. If you're losing hair or have really greasy hair, it could be because of these. They can clog your hair follicles, causing hair loss and greasy hair. Which is why I live by my self-cleaning hairbrush. If you have a hairbrush that has the squishy middle like this, throw this away right now. These brushes actually have a bit of foam inside and they are collecting the water and all the oils that are coming off your hair. Every time you rebrush your hair, you are adding that back into your scalp. Brushes also get wet on the pad inside. They can create mold. To avoid this problem, you need a self-cleaning hairbrush. It doesn't have this pad which is catching all the water, so it's not going to mold over. You just push the button in the back, it comes right off. When you brush your hair with a dirty brush, you're just adding all that gunk back to your clean hair. You can grab this one in the link below. It also has several different options if you want to try a different one. Hit the follow button if you want to learn more. Let me know what you'd like to learn next.